Another day, another project. That's right, we got another one over here at Auto Auction Rebuild. So a lot of you commented on yesterday's video and said, man, don't buy that Cadillac, Randy. And I agreed with you. I was like, you know what, you're probably right. Probably should just stay away from that car and forget about it. Because I've got a special surprise that's supposed to be coming for you guys this weekend. Sometime. I don't know when the video is coming out, but I'm probably picking up a 300,000 mile salvaged car that is being delivered to me by the owner of a detail shop in Tulsa that's trying to help me out with a pickup truck. You guys are just going to laugh at this one. I can't wait to bring you that video, but as the day progressed, I got a notification from Copart. They gave the Cadillac to me, and it was, what, like $980, I think, something like that, out the door. So it's not too bad. Now, the good news, I'm sitting at Copart right now, and the good news is, for that $890 or $980, $980 is what it was. It's a one owner. I have the original title to that car. It has been owned by the same man and woman its entire life. So they're about to bring it out to me right now. I've got a really good feeling about this one, and we're going to do this together. I didn't bring my booster pack. I didn't have a chance to get the dealer plate. Nothing. We're just going to literally jump in it and try to get it home. All right, here she is. The 99 one owner Cadillac DeVille in pearl white. I'm excited about this one. It is running. It seems to be running good. Get out of the way, Z-Car. Try to block some of this wind noise for you. 4 matching Goodyear tires. Here's something that I did not notice. Windshield does have a crack. It only goes to right here and down. So I don't think that's going to be a huge deal. Man, what a clean car. I mean, okay, it's dirty, but this pearl paint, oh, it'll clean up nice. Show you in the trunk. Look at that. How many bodies can you fit back there? Good tags, good plates. The trunk closes itself automatically, seems to be working fine. So much room. Look at the beautiful leather interior. The roof is in excellent condition. Show you under the hood real quick, and then we will get on the road. You know you love the North Star. Admit it. You love the North Star. No, the North Star is the engine that loves to be hated. They're good motors. They really are. I know they're known for problems, but they are good motors. 6 of 18 AAA brought a battery out. So that tells you another good thing. Not only is it a one owner, but it was owned by somebody that had AAA roadside assistance. It's got a new battery. Oh, I am a Cadillac DeVille fan, in case you can't tell. Now, I don't expect this car is going to bring an unbelievable amount of money. But if it drives as good as it looks and as good as I expect it to drive, this should be a $2,000 car all day long. Now the seat works. See, we've got no check engine lights. The air conditioning is on, the compressor is working, so I know the AC works. Ready? This is the trick. This is the test. Does the transmission work? You know? Nervous. Got the Z-Car back there. All right, catch up, little Z, catch up. We got a 300 horsepower North Star under the hood of this. That Z would outrun this car all day long. There's second gear. Third gear. And overdrive just kicked in. Steering wheel is sitting straight. The car is tracking straight. You're kidding me. So far, so good. I guess the real test is not the transmission. The real test is it going to overheat on the way home? Because that's what these are known for. Let's find out. Man, it's a smooth riding car. Okay, so the biggest test of a North Star is, will it overheat? Usually these things overheat very, very quickly. So at 188,000 miles, I feel very confident that this car has been well maintained, well serviced, and it's probably had a time cert kit done, if not an engine replaced by now. I can say that we have been driving it for quite a while in stop and go traffic, and it's solid. The transmission shifts great, the radio bumps, it rides like a dream, like all Cadillacs do. Now, I know there's a lot of people out there that dislike Cadillac, and I'll be the first to admit GM has produced its fair share of unreliable vehicles, and unfortunately the North Star is just stuck in that category. You know, it is what it is. It's a good car, it runs great, it drives great. As far as I'm concerned, this is a win. Who would not buy a beautiful one-owner Cadillac DeVille for $980 out the door? Good tags, clear title, one owner. We got to run the CARFAX on this. That's what we got to do. We got to run the CARFAX, and let's see what we can find out about this thing. So it made it home. But before we get over to the Cadillac, Tim, he can't hear me. He says hi, everybody. He's been real busy. He's been working his butt off. The Impala has cleaned up pretty dang nice. It smells good. He's got the air freshener in it. The Febreze is what it is. Smells wonderful. He did a great job on this. We're hoping we can get the doors tomorrow and get the doors installed tomorrow. And then this thing will be out at the lot. And Tim, could you please smile at the camera and tell these people hi? There's so many people comment they miss you.
Hi, folks. How you doing?
See? He does not use sponges. He believes in washing the car with his bare hands. He thinks that is the best practice. He cleans the tires with his bare hands too. Oh, no, never mind. There's all of the stuff he's using right there. Tim does an amazing job at cleaning these cars. He really does. And I appreciate him for it. Here's what we're here to talk about today. The Cadillac. It made it home. We're going to come back here in just a moment once it's cleaned up. Tim's already literally, we just pulled in the driveway. He was finishing up the Impala, and he just jumped right over here and got started on it. So, yeah, and it will get dark here soon. But this thing's going to clean up real nice. We plan on, Mike said he's going to come get it tonight. So this thing is going straight to the lot. I paid very close attention to the engine on these, to the temperature. It's very important if you're going to buy a North Star. You really need to pay attention to the engine. Rev it up, don't overdo it. You know, don't be stupid with it. But let it rev up about 1,500, 2,000 RPMs. Keep your foot on the gas. Hold it there for a little bit, maybe 45 seconds or so. Make sure it doesn't overheat. Let it sit and get up to operating temperature. And keep your eye on the temperature gauge. That's really about it. Make sure there's no water in the oil. This one's solid. So now what I need to do is go run a CARFAX report, and let's go over that CARFAX report. So here's the CARFAX report. As you can see, no accidents. Hail damage was reported. CARFAX one owner, 26 service history. Personal vehicle, 185,000 miles. One owner, owned for 19 years and 1 month. You've got the title history guaranteed, CARFAX buyback guarantee. All of this is great. Hail damage was reported December 6th, but from looking at the car, there's no hail damage. So that must have got fixed. We've got serviced at Bob Moore Autoplex. Recommended maintenance performed. Battery replaced. Maintenance completed. Charging system, electrical system. AC and heating system checked. Maintenance inspection completed. Antifreeze coolant flush changed. AC and heating system checked. Drivability performance checked. AC and heating system checked. Maintenance now at 105. Maintenance inspection completed. Brakes checked. Battery service. Brakes. Brake fluid flushed and changed. Power steering fluid flushed, changed. Steering suspension checked. Transmission flushed. Induction system serviced. Fuel injection system flushed and serviced. Let's see what else we got here. Vehicle serviced again at 117, oil and filter change at 133, 137 oil and filter, 142 oil and filter, 146 maintenance inspection, recommended maintenance performed, air filter replaced, AC and heating system checked, electrical system checked, oil and filter change, oil and filter change, oil and filter change, oil and filter change, oil and filter change at 172, which is like 15,000 miles ago. Maintenance inspection completed, tires balanced, alignment checked, wipers replaced, 4 tires balanced, 4 tires mounted, antifreeze coolant flushed and changed, 173, water pump replaced, thermostat replaced, trim checked, transmission checked, registration issued, oil filter changed again at 177, and then at 185, oil and filter changed, and then hail damage was reported 12.6. This is a damn good CARFAX report right here. So to finish off this video for you fine people, here is the 99 DeVille all cleaned up, and Mike is going to be coming here soon to pick this thing up, take it to the car lot, and in the near future, I believe this one will sell fairly quickly. I don't think this is going to take nearly as long as the Fire Lincoln, just because this car, in my opinion, is so much nicer. Granted, it's got a lot higher miles, but I think this car is just so much nicer than that Lincoln was. And keep in mind, this has a clear title. This is not salvage, nothing like that. This thing is ready to go. Tim did a great job cleaning it up, so a big shout out to Tim. Look at that. Just a beautiful, solid car. Ooh, well, I guess he didn't get the door sills. No. Oh well, we'll hit that when we get back. So that's gonna be it. There it is. It's about to hit the road and be on its way to Weird Beard Auto Sales. So with that, we're gonna get out of here. I appreciate you all taking the time to do this video with me, walk around, check it out, drive with me, go for a ride in the Cadillac. Thank you so much. Tell me what you think. Comment below. Tell me what you think of this car for $980 out the door. Do you think this is a win? Or a lot of you said, stay away from that North Star, Randy. North Stars are junk. And hey, I said in the video when we reviewed this car just yesterday, I said in the video, you know, or the day before yesterday, I said, I know my North Stars, man. I do. And I know that they can be a pain. But when you got a North Star that's got 188,000 miles on it, chances are that thing has already been through you-know-what and back, and it's probably fine. North Stars tend to crap out around 80,000, 120,000 miles. That's when the heads just, well, it's not the heads, it's the bolts in the block actually start pulling out. I know my North Stars. You get one with 188,000 on it, chances are that thing's going to be good to go. So I was very confident in this one. And I appreciate it. Thank you all. Comment below. Tell me what you think of the $980 Cadillac DeVille. And also, if you feel like it, comment what you think this thing is worth on the car lot. I look forward to seeing you all very soon in the next one. Stay safe out there, everybody.